Hey, this is Kevin with Force Customs in Tampa, Florida. We are getting ready to roll out to Jeep Beach 2021. We got the Force 5 and the best Force group of techs that there ever could be. We're getting ready to go.
Big man right here himself, always behind the camera, Kevin Champ.
I just help out designing, that's all. Here we go. So we got the diesel Iron Force, we got the 392, we got a guy driving through. We got the Rubicon, Forcicon, JL Destroyer, and the Victory package. And somebody else driving through. We're looking forward to it. You'll see a lot of us. We'll give it our address, be able to stop by and get the new Force shirts. God bless. Kevin Champ, Force Customs, Tampa, Florida.